Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing a small exercise for power system in Revit, how we can place power sockets and other things in a Revit. So I'll need to put some electrical equipment first, then go to system tab, then electrical equipment. Then I need to place the DB first. So place on vertical, just need to choose place on vertical face. This is coming like a work plane base. So we can change to that one to vertical face. Then the DB will place over here. Just place that one. Just place that one. Then select the DB. Then come up over here. You can see the voltage 400 and number of poles 3. And it is fixed in the level of elevation 1800. Then you need to give the panel name. So I'm just giving db -01. That is my db name. Then you just need to give a tag. So I'm just giving the tag of db tg for the tag and just give a db01. So after that, I just want to place some smdb also for this one. So the smdb, the sub main panel, this db need to be connected with that smdb. So I'm going to electrical equipment again. I need to fix SMDB over here. So one SMDB I'm placing over here. So I'm just giving this name, panel name I'm just giving SMDB 01. So this panel, this DB panel need to feed from this SMDB. I'm just connecting that one first. So selecting this DB and give a power, then 400 volt, then the panel is SMDB1. So this was connected to this SMDB. After that, we can go to place our electrical devices, electrical fixes. So go to system tab again. Then here is the electrical fixes. You can get it from here. Drop down and you just choose electrical fixes from here. Then you need to give the sockets, whichever sockets you have. You can select that one. So I'll have some sockets from socket family over here. So I'm just need to be check it that one. 13 amps. So indicator, this is the tune socket. So I'm just taking one of the socket over here. I'm just tab it and just you need to fix the sockets over here. Before that, you can just give the elevation. So I'm just giving 450 for that one, and I'm just placing over here. So once you place it that one, you can go to the 3D view, and you can see the socket how it was fixing. So this is a double pin socket. So I'm just changing this one fine and here line weight, so you can clearly see the socket was fixed over here, right? Then after that you can create similar, just create similar. Then wherever you need, you can place it that another sockets also, and another one you can place it over here in this area. Another socket you can place it over here. Then here you can place another sockets. Okay, as per your requirement, you can place the sockets easily. And next one I can place over here. And need some other sockets also. So go to here electrical device. So I need to place some other switcher socket. So I'm just one switcher socket, single socket. So I'm placing one over here. Another one I need to place on this area. Sorry for that. Just place it over here. So this is the elevation. I can say like this one is from 450 from the finished floor level. So if you look at that in the 3D view, it was fixed like this. So you can clearly see that the single socket is fixed over there, right? That's fine. And then after that, if you want to place some isolators also, you can place it the isolators also. Go to electrical fixers. I'll have some isolators over here. So in just the three-phase essential or whichever as per your requirement, you can just use that one. I'm just placing one isolator over here. So the elevation I'm just giving 1200. Okay, then I'm just go to the 3D view. Yeah, it is looking like that. Then, for example, I'm just need to copy it another some other isolator for other purpose. So just need to give this isolator like that. So after that, what you need to do is just need to be make a uh, circuit for this one, right? I'm just making a circuit for this all the sockets. So I'm just create similar again and need to place one more sockets over here. Then I need to select these three sockets, con hold on control key and select the three circuits and just give a power. And to give this one to DB01 and giving arc wire. So that was connected, right? So you just select this one and you can just move, you can adjust it like that, right? Then you just need to adjust it. I'm going to VV. So maybe this is I'm applied for one template, so that is what just not coming in the VV. So go to filter and just need to be go to model category wires. Then I'm just giving some patterns for the wire, giving this color for the wire, and I'm giving line weight for click OK, apply. So it's showing like the wire, it is showing like that. And after that, this sockets I need to connect it. Select that one, give a power like that. Simply you can give the socket connections like that. You can adjust it the wires like that. Select it. Select this two. Give a power like that. And this one you can move stretch up to here, and you can put like that. And even this isolators also you can give the power. Select this one power. I'm choosing 230 number of pole. If you need a 3, then I'm just giving that 3 phase number of floor 3, then give that one, give arc wire, so that isolators power also you give one. Another one same thing, give a power number of pole 3 400, okay, then give wire, so it will connect it to the panel. And here also you can give it this one also, give a power. For example, I just want a single, so just give a socket like that and then give the power. This is single phase, so that just give it like that. And after that, we just need to give a circuit number for each this one. So for that, you just need to give a TG. So it is showing like this way, 1 dB 01. But we need a R1 Y1 something like that. So just need to select the dB first, come in the property, circuit name, change to the circuit name, and by phase, just give a by phase. So it will show like R1 Y1 like that. And here we need to give another circuit number. Select this one, sorry, just give a TG and uncheck the leader. So just need to be give the circuit number for this one. And here also you can give the circuit number. And here also you can just give the circuit number. So it is coming like RYB2, and here is RYB3, and this one you can give a R by R4, like that you can give it. So this is the symbol method for the power systems, and you can create the DB schedule also. Select the DB and go to here, create default panel schedule from use default template, create it so that you can see the electrical DB schedule is created, and it is the showing the electrical room locations and DB feed from SMDB01. Like that, you can get it all the informations in the DB schedule. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please support my channel. So it is totally related to AutoCAD and Revit. If you need any training, please contact me. Thanks for watching. Thank you.